Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today we are going to make a very simple and yummy Asian dish. Request, we are going to make a stir-fry dish. Today we are going to make seasonal vegetable stir-fry with chicken. You can use chicken, you can use pork, you can use beef. Everything is your own choice. The reason why I use chicken today because most of the people will eat chicken. It's just easier choice to make. If you prefer beef, it's the same method, same seasoning, but it's just the meat of choice is different. But before we go into the cooking method, first I want to show you guys how to prep your vegetable and your chicken.
First, we're going to cut our vegetable in pieces and put it into the water and just soak it at least 20 minutes or up to 20 minutes so you can get rid of all the chemicals on the vegetable. And then you can cut your vegetable into the sizes that you want: carrot, broccoli, snow peas, and as well as cauliflower. And then from here, we want a boiling water. The reason why we want to do this step, you can cook all your vegetable into a boiling water for about 20 seconds, maybe less, and that way it helps to keep your vegetable crunchy while you stir fry. So you repeat the step, do exactly the same step to your carrot, snow peas, as well as your broccoli. And then you can add to a cold water so that you can keep your vegetable crunchy before you cook. And now we're going to marinate the chicken. First, we're going to add some pepper. And then we're going to add some oyster sauce. All these ingredients you can find from Asian grocery. I'm using a very traditional oyster sauce. And then you can add some sesame oil. Not too much, just a little bit. And then the last, we're going to add some soy sauce as well. So I'm not using any spoon or anything because I know what I'm cooking. But again, it's depending how you want it. And now this is the corn flour that I'm going to add into it. So make your chicken a little bit tender as we are using chicken breast. So this is optional. You don't need it. You don't have to. But if you want it, you can. And you stir all the seasoning together and marinate them. And now I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to add some ginger, and I cut a little bit of ginger and garlic, and that's what I like to use in my stir fry. You don't have to. And then because I love tofu, as you all know, so I added some tofu in my stir fry as well. And now let's get started with a little bit of oil. Let's heat it up the wok, and first thing we want to add is your garlic. And then you gotta stir and fry them a little bit golden brown, and then you can add in your ginger. So again, this is optional. You don't really have to, but if you want it, you can. And the next thing we want to add is your chicken. So again, marinate your chicken as long as you can. If you can do it overnight, your chicken will taste even better. So now you're just gonna make sure your chicken is well cooked. I always like to add a little bit of rice wine in it because that's just how my grandmom used to cook, and that's how I learned from her. So you don't have to, again, it's optional, but I like to do it. And then now I'm just gonna add a little bit of my favorite tofu into my chicken. And now you just have to repeat the same step and just stir fry them until 80% of well done, and then you can add your vegetable into it. And now I will just add the rest of the vegetable into it and cook it together. And make sure you want to mix well with all the seasoning underneath, and make sure you get all the taste in. That way you will get the best stir fried. And last, we're going to add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt into it, and then give it a little bit of last few stir, and your stir fried vegetable is done. Right, that's it. This is your stir fry for tonight.
Alright guys, that's the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.